entrance.
Let's get. Oh, I'm here.
Where are they? Where are they?
Lala, come here. I show you something. Lala.
Kuda? Ay, wala pa ng daanan dito, Bizet.
Wala ka, isa lang doon. Ayun, ayun yan. Ayun pala, oh.
Wow. Did you enjoy it? This is nice, ah.
Ganda nga eh.
Oh, may mini grocery market. Wow. Gusto ko rito.
So, ano eh, lahat dito eh.
Where is your place? Where is your home?
Restaurant.
Look at that, no? It's nice, huh? May arts corner. And then meron din silang parking area. Wow. This is good. What are you doing, girls? You're doing supermarket?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's worth it. You 120 together.
Oo.
Not individual, no?
Oo.
See, oh. Galing, oh.
Yes. I can buy these. He's a big boy.
What, she got sick?
Yes.
Oh, how many the temperature she has?
Ito maganda ikaw sa
He's
kahit maliit lang na tapos
Magkano yung bayad namin? So, did you know na nung last week, the other week, pumunta kami ng POA ng kapatid ko sa Namaki siya. And then yung mga apo ko, bali 4 sila,
magkano per head doon din pagka ano?
250 yata.
Okay na yun.
Ay, 150 o 100 per hour. Per hour yun, 100 per hour. Doon sila sa sa may galleria.
Oo.
Robinson Galleria.
Ote. Pero yung manawa nila, enjoy na sila.
Swerte at sila lang ang tao. Kasi tanghaling tapat eh.
Na-enjoy nila.
Nice, no? Mm. I did